to the Link Belt Training Center. My name is Brian. We are going to do wire rope inspection on a 218.5 today. I am joined by Cody Meadows, and he is going to help me with that process. OSHA requires regular, documented inspections of wire rope by a competent person before each shift and thorough, comprehensive inspections at least every 12 months. Maintenance focuses on identifying damage, proper lubrication, and immediate removal of ropes showing kinking, corrosion, or excessive broken wires.
All right, guys, so today we've got the 218.5 behind us. We've got it in a position where we can do some inspection on the rope. We paid out some line, got the ball down. We've got the rope here on the table. We're gonna go over some inspection criteria and some things to look for, some things that you wanna inspect on these ropes on a daily, monthly, and even annually inspection.
So Cody, talk to me about a couple things here. Where can we find the inspection intervals and what are those intervals?
First off, you want to get the operator's manual, get it out and read it. It will give you guidelines on what you should be doing in inspections, shift inspection, monthly inspection, and an annual inspection. Kind of gives out some guidelines in that operator's manual what to cover.
All right, Cody, so in preparation for inspecting our wire rope, what is our number one step here?
PPE.
PPE, so we need our puncture-proof gloves on before we ever start this process. All right, so you can see now Cody does have his PPE on, and we're ready to start inspecting this rope. Cody, what are we looking for on our wire rope inspection?
First off, visually inspect the rope. Look for corrosion, look for broken wires, look for kinking. Any of these are great things to be looking for while you have the rope in front of you.
The thing we need to focus on is this should be done daily, monthly, and also annually, and you can find that information in the ops manual like we said before. More than one broken wire in any one strand should be cause for caution. Breaks that occur on the worn crowns of the outside wires usually indicate normal deterioration. Breaks that occur in the valleys between strands can indicate an abnormal condition, possibly fatigue, and breakage of other wires that are not readily visible. One or more valley breaks should be cause for replacement.
Wire breaks generally occur in those portions of wire rope which pass over sheaves, wind on the drums, and receive mechanical abuse. Breaks that occur near attached fittings are apt to result from fatigue stress concentrated in these localized sections. Breaks of the latter type should be cause for replacement of the wire rope or renewal of the attachment to eliminate the local fatigued area. When running wire ropes over nylon sheaves, inspect the wire rope where it travels over the sheaves. Inspect for a loss of diameter and then bend the wire rope to inspect the internal wires for break and wear. Heavy wear or broken wires may occur in sections under equalizer sheaves or other sheaves where wire rope travel is limited or in contact with saddles. Care should be taken to inspect wire rope at these points. If wire rope wear is detected at these locations, these wear points can be shifted by removing the wire rope from the drum and cutting a 20-foot section off at the drum end. This may assist in extending the rope life. Wire rope stretch is generally greatest during initial stages of operation when the strands are becoming adjusted and seated. This is accompanied by some reduction in wire rope diameter. Time for wire rope replacement is indicated by the extent of abrasion, scrubbing, and peening on the outside wires, broken wires, evidence of pitting or severe corrosion, kink damage, or other mechanical abuse resulting in distortion of the wire rope structure. Sheaves, guards, guides, drums, flanges, and other surface contacted by wire rope during operation should be examined at the time of inspection. Any condition harmful to the wire rope in use at the time should be corrected. The same equipment, and particularly sheave and drum grooves, should be inspected and placed in proper condition before a new wire rope is installed.
In review of our wire rope inspection, all the best practices apply to our lattice product or our telescopic machines alike. If you have any questions, please refer to the ops manual. It will cover all OSHA mandates. Thank you for your time here at the Link Belt Training Center.